Generating a steady income from just your smartphone has never been easier. We now live in a time where we have access to millions of people, a vault of free information and resources, along with the opportunities on the internet that all come together and are right there at the tip of our fingers. Maybe you know someone who makes so much money online with some side hustle or website, and you also want your share of that delicious pie. And if you're watching this video, you are in the right place, because I have made a list of the top 7 ways to make money online from just your smartphone. No computers needed. I'm gonna list them one by one and also give you websites and apps to help you get started immediately. And at the end of this video, I'm sure that you will find 1 or 2 money-making methods that are perfect for you. And hey, I'm not talking about taking online surveys or anything like that here. We're only gonna focus on the best and highest paying money-making methods that you can do using just your phone. Absolutely anyone can get started with these, and don't worry, they're all beginner friendly. You don't need any startup capital or any special skills to get started, and you can do any of them from anywhere in the world. In this video, you will find gigs that pay from as little as $50 a day to as much as $500 a day or more, which means that you could potentially earn as much money as you want. So make sure you grab a pen and paper and write this stuff down so you do not miss anything. But just before we get started, I want you to hit the like button super hard because it helps me out a lot with this video, and of course subscribe if you're new here so you won't miss my future videos. Also, if you ever need any further assistance with the methods in any of my tutorials, feel free to join my channel and get access to private one-on-one tutorials, my private Discord group, and more. Just $10 a month and you can cancel anytime that you want. Now onto the video. Alright, starting off at number 7, we have data upload. This one is kind of my favorite method to earn passive income on my phone, because with this you can make money without having to do any work at all. Call it the lazy man's money making method if you want. There are apps that you can download on your phone and they will pay you real money just to have them installed on your device. Crazy, right? With this you can make money on your smartphone just by having this app installed and working in the background. Oh my God! For this, you can use an app like Honeygain to get started. With this app, if you have only 3 devices connected, you could earn up to $55 a month in completely passive income. And this figure goes up as you add more devices. If you have up to 10 devices connected, you will earn up to $184 a month without you having to do anything at all. You even get a free $5 gift for signing up, as you can see here. So immediately after signing up, you will get this free bonus on your account. And how it works is pretty simple. You simply have to set up the app on whatever device you want. You can use your Android smartphone if you have one. And as soon as the app gets installed, it's gonna share data from your internet connection and pay you for it. You never have to do anything or worry about whatever is happening in the background, because it will never steal your information, and it will pay you really well depending on how much data that you share onto the platform. So it's definitely a really nice way to earn some passive income on your smartphone. So definitely consider this one if it sounds interesting to you. Alright, at number 6 we have playing games. Did you know that you could earn up to $50 a day just playing games on your phone? This is how many young people just like you are passing their time and earning money at the same time. You can easily go to a website like womplay.io or Mistplay and sign up there, and they will pay you to participate in their online games. There's a variety of games here, including survival games, card games, puzzle games, adventure and strategy games. So there is something for everyone, and you never have to play games that you're not interested in. They also have tournaments and giveaways being promoted all the time on their platforms. All of this to help you earn money even faster. So definitely take advantage of all of this. It's free to get started, but the only downside is that you cannot earn cash here. You only get paid in gift cards or in cryptocurrency, which you can of course exchange for real money after the fact. And at number 5 we have Amazon Trade-In. Now this is a new way to make money from your phone that involves selling stuff you might own but don't need anymore. Amazon has a great trading program that lets you send in tech items like Amazon devices, video games, smartphones, accessories, and more. If you have an item that is eligible, you will receive an immediate offer for an Amazon gift card, not cash, because, well, Jeff Bezos is one greedy man. So they're not gonna pay you in cash, but in gift cards. They can also pay you in credit, which you can use toward the purchase of maybe a new item on Amazon. And if you rack up enough credit, you could even use it to purchase a whole new item without having to pay anything more. The upside here is that you never have to worry about fees, and Amazon will cover the shipping costs when you're sending your item to them, and they're even gonna send you a free shipping label. So this is the Amazon trade-in page, and this is where they can actually accept your old devices and in return give you gift cards for them. You can see all the device categories that are accepted. They have Kindle e-readers, tablets, streaming media players, Bluetooth speakers, home security devices, cell phones, gaming, and even more. Down here it explains a little bit more information about how the whole thing works. All you have to do is to tell them about your item to see if it qualifies, and then you can ship it for free, and finally you get paid and you can buy a new qualifying device. So it's a nice way to get free stuff from Amazon, but I think it's a great way to actually repurpose old stuff you don't need anymore, because otherwise those things will rot away in your shelves. So this is a nice way to actually get something new in return for your old stuff. Okay, at number 4 we have micro investment apps. Now I know you're thinking, wait, investing? I thought we didn't have to make any investments at all. Well, just hear me out. When I say micro investment apps, I mean apps that don't even need you to actively deposit money into an investment account. Instead, they take the change left over from your online purchases and invest it for you. Maybe you were about to purchase this Nintendo Switch for $298.99. It then gets rounded up to maybe $300, and the difference gets invested for you in stocks like Tesla or Apple or Walmart, and you never have to do anything. A good example of an app that does this is Acorns. This one is easy to use, but keep in mind that it does have a monthly fee in order to operate your account. Alright, at number 3 we have user testing. So did you know you can actually get paid for testing apps and websites on your smartphone? So there are brands out there that want to know what people think about their products and services, and some of them are willing to pay you to share your opinions. According to the website, you can earn $4 for a 5-minute user testing and up to $10 for a 20-minute test. And with their live interviews, you could earn anywhere from $30 to $120 just testing apps online. Definitely a great way to pass the time if you ask me. To sign up, just go to the website and click get started. Then you will need to answer some screening questions so that user testing can match you up with relevant products and services that are a good fit for you. And don't worry, you don't have to be an expert here. If you know how to use apps on your smartphone, that is exactly what you will be doing on usertesting.com. At number 2, we have sell your photos. Now, this is a great way to earn a consistent income online using only your smartphone camera if you like to take pictures. Not selfies, no one's gonna buy that from you. I mean taking pictures of maybe a bird you saw on the way home, or maybe a nice looking building, or the sky, or whatever catches your fancy. In order to get started with this, you can go to a website like Snapwire. It actually pays you to upload your pictures onto their platform, and you make money whenever your image sells. Why this is amazing is because you get to work with the biggest brands in the world. All these companies will use your pictures that you upload on this website, and they will pay you every time that they're used. And if you like to take pictures for fun or even as a career or a hobby, then using a website like this is a great way to showcase your work and even get paid for it. It even pays you for video production, so if that's something you're also into, now Snapwire allows you to make money by uploading videos onto their platform. So this is something you can also experiment with if it interests you. And at number 1, we have TikTok. This is the only method on this list involving social media, and it is well worth it when you look at how much you can make here. Your boy Khaby Lame on TikTok gets paid up to $60,000 per TikTok promotion that he does, and there are many more influencers like him on TikTok making even more. And getting started with making money on TikTok is pretty easy. All you have to do is to set up your phone on a tripod and start recording. Even the dumbest dance moves with a little bit of creativity could get you to go viral overnight on TikTok, and you could be well on your way to internet fame and glory. And who knows, you could be driving that Lambo in no time. But on a serious note, TikTok is definitely a great way to make some money online if social media is your thing. And maybe it is, but either way, I hope you found something helpful in this video so far. You probably won't look at your smartphone the same way again after watching this video, because now you can see how much money there is to be made on that device of yours. So stop wasting time and get started today. Who knows, your future self just might thank you for it. Thanks for watching this video, and if you learned something here, be sure to hit the like button. Super duper hard. It's going to tell me that you want me to make more videos like this on my channel, and just so you won't miss them, hit the subscribe button right down below. If you want more help with any of the videos I talk about on this channel, and you want to connect with me in person and ask me questions and join my live streams and stuff, make sure you join the channel by clicking the first link in the description below, and I will catch you guys in the next video.